Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will see the differences between working with containers and pods in both Docker and Kubernetes. So let's say that here with Docker, we have a container agent. So here we have a container agent, and we have also a Kubernetes cluster with 2 worker nodes. So let's put here the container agent. So with Docker, when we want to run our application in a container, so we use the docker run command. Run, and then we give it the name of the image. By running this command, a container will be created on top of the container agent. So now our application is running inside this container. The story is a little bit different in Kubernetes because we cannot deploy containers directly on the worker nodes. Instead, in Kubernetes, we have something that's called a pod, and the containers will be encapsulated in this pod. Okay, so here we have a pod with only one container, and when we want to deploy our application on the Kubernetes cluster, we use pods to deploy the application. So let's say that we have 2 pods, and in each pod we have the container where our application is running. Okay, so in Kubernetes, so instead of working directly with containers, we work with pods. And of course here we have, for example, some users that are trying to access the application, and if the traffic increases, so we have more users trying to access the application, we didn't deploy more containers inside the same pod. That can't happen in Kubernetes. Instead, we deploy more pods in the Kubernetes cluster. So for example, let's put them on this worker node. And of course, here we have the containers where our application is running. So now the users can access the application from those instances of the app. Okay, so here we have a pod with only one container, but we can have more than one container inside a pod, and one of them will be the main container, and this container will be a helper container. So for example, we will do some support for the main container. So that's a quick description of the differences between pods and containers, and thank you.